I used to live in London. I used to live in London. I used to live in London. She used to play tennis every weekend. She used to play tennis every weekend. She used to play tennis every weekend. They used to visit us every summer. They used to visit us every summer. They used to visit us every summer. We used to eat out a lot. We used to eat out a lot. We used to eat out a lot. He used to have long hair. He used to have long hair. He used to have long hair. I used to read before bed every night. I used to read before bed every night. I used to read before bed every night. She used to walk to school. She used to walk to school. She used to walk to school. They used to watch cartoons in the morning. They used to watch cartoons in the morning. They used to watch cartoons in the morning. We used to go camping every year. We used to go camping every year. We used to go camping every year. He used to drink coffee every morning. He used to drink coffee every morning. He used to drink coffee every morning. I didn't used to like vegetables. I didn't used to like vegetables. I didn't used to like vegetables. She didn't used to drive to work. She didn't used to drive to work. She didn't used to drive to work. They didn't used to travel much. They didn't used to travel much. They didn't used to travel much. We didn't used to have a car. We didn't used to have a car. We didn't used to have a car. He didn't used to exercise regularly. He didn't used to exercise regularly. He didn't used to exercise regularly. I didn't used to eat breakfast. I didn't used to eat breakfast. I didn't used to eat breakfast. She didn't used to cook often. She didn't used to cook often. She didn't used to cook often. They didn't used to go out on weekdays. They didn't used to go out on weekdays. They didn't used to go out on weekdays. We didn't used to speak English. We didn't used to speak English. We didn't used to speak English. He didn't used to play video games. He didn't used to play video games. He didn't used to play video games. I used to take the bus to work. I used to take the bus to work. I used to take the bus to work. She used to study late at night. She used to study late at night. She used to study late at night. They used to play football after school. They used to play football after school. They used to play football after school. We used to go to the beach every summer. We used to go to the beach every summer. We used to go to the beach every summer. He used to smoke, but he quit. He used to smoke, but he quit. He used to smoke, but he quit. I used to be afraid of dogs. I used to be afraid of dogs. I used to be afraid of dogs. She used to work in a bookstore. She used to work in a bookstore. She used to work in a bookstore. They used to live in a small apartment. They used to live in a small apartment. They used to live in a small apartment. We used to visit our grandparents every Sunday. We used to visit our grandparents every Sunday. We used to visit our grandparents every Sunday. He used to write in his journal. He used to write in his journal. He used to write in his journal. I didn't used to exercise, but now I do. I didn't used to exercise, but now I do. I didn't used to exercise, but now I do. She didn't used to eat spicy food. She didn't used to eat spicy food. She didn't used to eat spicy food. They didn't used to go to the gym. They didn't used to go to the gym. They didn't used to go to the gym. We didn't used to have internet at home. We didn't used to have internet at home. We didn't used to have internet at home. He didn't used to like reading books. He didn't used to like reading books. He didn't used to like reading books. I didn't used to drink tea. I didn't used to drink tea. I didn't used to drink tea. She didn't used to eat sushi. She didn't used to eat sushi. She didn't used to eat sushi. They didn't used to have pets. They didn't used to have pets. They didn't used to have pets. We didn't used to take many photos. We didn't used to take many photos. We didn't used to take many photos. He didn't used to ride a bike. He didn't used to ride a bike. He didn't used to ride a bike. I used to paint when I was younger. I used to paint when I was younger. I used to paint when I was younger. She used to go dancing every Friday. She used to go dancing every Friday. She used to go dancing every Friday. They used to send postcards when they traveled. They used to send postcards when they traveled. They used to send postcards when they traveled. We used to have a garden. We used to have a garden. We used to have a garden. He used to play the guitar in a band. He used to play the guitar in a band. He used to play the guitar in a band. I didn't used to watch the news. I didn't used to watch the news. I didn't used to watch the news. She didn't used to like cats. She didn't used to like cats. She didn't used to like cats. They didn't use to celebrate Halloween. They didn't use to celebrate Halloween. They didn't use to celebrate Halloween. We didn't use to eat out often. We didn't use to eat out often. We didn't use to eat out often.